Manual cars. They've always been the go-to for fuel savings. But does that still hold up today? Let's break it down. For the longest time, people believed that manual transmissions always use less fuel than automatics. Kinda like how some people think pineapple on pizza is wrong. But is this manuals are better thing actually true? Turns out, modern automatics aren't like the clunky old ones from back in the day. Today's automatic transmissions are basically like little computers optimizing fuel use. I mean, they're practically smarter than me. Thanks to things like more gears and advanced technology, automatics are now just as efficient as manuals, sometimes even more efficient. Shocking, right? According to a study by Consumer Reports, many modern automatic transmissions are just as fuel efficient as manuals. And in some cases, like with cars that have continuously variable transmissions, automatics actually do better. For example, cars like the Honda Civic with a CVT automatic get up to 36 miles per gallon, while the manual version only manages around 33 miles per gallon on the highway. So, in some cases, automatics are actually more efficient. And don't forget city driving. In stop-and-go traffic, driving a manual feels like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand tied behind your back. You're constantly shifting. Studies show that automatics tend to be more efficient in these conditions because they adjust quicker. So, which is better for fuel? It really depends on the car. But the old myth that manuals always save more gas is just that, a myth. These days, automatics are right there in the race. Whether you prefer shifting gears or letting the car do it for you, you're not losing out on fuel efficiency. Hit like and keep on cruising.